back to the base, bro.
We back, guys.
Hey, listen, man. We're super excited, man, to be back at the property. Right now, we had a great event this weekend. You're talking about phase 1, 30 lots taken care of. Phase 2, 16 behind us. We got our next generation crew behind. Look at them boys. Look at them.
Yes, sir.
So we super excited, man, to be able to show you what it looks like to have a vision and take it to reality, man. Mr. Billboard, man, how you feel about this expansion, brother?
It's amazing, brother.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But more than anything, what I'm proud of is the next generation.
Absolutely.
This is how Base extends our legacy for years to come, man. So we're excited. We had a great event. People got a lot of knowledge, a lot of information. They were in the right room. And sometimes that's all it takes, is being in the right room.
So make sure you stay tuned for the next event that's coming up soon. Listen, as we always say, man, you're safe with Base, man. Base to $1 billion. Let's get it. Let's go, bro. What do we do? We force appreciate everything around us, increase property value, more money into the pockets of our community. It's a win-win-win. You're safe with Base, baby. Let's get it.